You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus, and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
But provides the platform for us to take serious stock of our achievements and especially our efforts towards fulfilling our obligations under the Ramsar Convention, which include, among others, promoting wise use of wetlands in Uganda and protecting critical benefits which are provided by wetlands. The government of Uganda has made great efforts over the last 30 years to ensure the conservation and wise use of wetland resources. For example, a presidential order issued on 1st April 2020 noted the country was already feeling the effects of encroachment on the natural resources, and therefore directed the ministers of water and environment and that of local government to remove all the people from wetlands, shorelines, riverbanks, and the government forests. So as a ministry, we have the support of His Excellency the President in ensuring that wetlands in this country are protected. These efforts have been timely and necessary to halt the degradation of wetlands and to bring the process of wetland conversion into control. But we must not be complacent. Wetland abuse still continues in a number of areas in the country in the form of infilling drainage, encroachment, and unguided agricultural use. Consequently, World Wetlands Day should serve to remind all stakeholders that all is not yet well, and now is the time to act and act firmly to redouble our efforts. I therefore urge all leaders at all levels in the country, especially the local council leaders, to get acquainted with the various laws and the procedures governing the management of wetlands, and to ensure that these laws are enforced in their localities without fear or favor. In addition, communities should be encouraged to develop management plans that clearly stipulate wetlands, user, and conservation zones within the existing institutional and legal frameworks. Ladies and gentlemen, Uganda for the last 5 years has been acclaimed for the tremendous work it has accomplished in the area of wetland conservation and management, because we know that wetlands are for life. Finally, I wish to inform you that the national venue for the celebrations of Wetland Day will be held at Kaunda Grounds, Gulu City. This will be on 2nd February 2024, beginning at 9 a.m. I also urge all other district local governments to organize similar events to commemorate this important day after the national celebrations. I wish you good celebrations, and I end by saying, wetlands for life, for God and my country. Thank you very much, members of the press.